Today we're reviewing a light fixture. Some to most light fixtures are dimmable, and we'll check this out, show you what this looks like. You may check further on detail about this product online. You get your wire nuts, your screws and bolts, a pair of gloves, and you have a length of electrical wire cable that is protected and it's adjustable in the unit. Everything is well packed. So let's unpack this bad boy and show you what it's all about. We have a semi-cone light on top of the unit. It's got three little areas of interest that will light above. It's made of nice plastic. It is a frosted color. And these things over here, if you press on them, they will allow you to put back the cable and pull the cable out and adjust it to your length. So in here you got your transformer, and we're going to hang this up, show you how simple it is to do so. You can mount these flush to the wall as long as you have your AC line going through, and I'm putting mine directly to a box for demonstration purposes only. And I am hooking up a bolt, as you can see, to an area. If you like to wear a pair of gloves, you may do so. They give you a nice universal size glove and they fit onto your hands beautifully. I have a nice large to extra large hands and they go on just fine. Please unwrap your unit. Allow this to hang by the box as protection. You have a load and a neutral. Before I hook up, I like to take my ground. I like to find the ground on top and I like to wrap it a couple of times. This way when I tighten down, it can stay on there so I can work hands free. I could take my load to load, make my adjustment to the light I need to by lifting up, and I lock it down by covering these areas up. If you have room in here, you're able to push up and pull down your light to a certain amount of length. Our light is all hooked up and we're ready to turn it on. We have our light on. We're going to shut the other lights off, and it gives a nice warm throw. We're going to take the light, show you the top, how it's lit up to illuminate the top and everything below. It does a nice job indeed, and we can show you if this can dim down some for you, but it's not going to dim down at all. It is not meant to dim down. With the proper remote, you're able to dim this down. I don't have the proper remote. Be controlled on a timer to set on and off with your wall switch. And it is a nice, elegant light to hang around your dining room area, anywhere imaginable, living room, a desk, over a chair, you name it. If you're looking for a light that you want to adjust just a little bit, depending on the room inside, and push it up for heights or add multiple lights in a library, an office, anywhere imaginable, this light may be right for you. So I hope you enjoy the product if you're looking for a light fixture.